Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a noisy idler on a John Deere 42-inch mower deck. First of all, I lower all the way down and spin it. That's noisy. So anyway, it's 15 mil socket. They don't usually come off that easy, but I would use a 15 mil deep socket on a strong arm and just crack it open, and then you can use your shorter socket because you will hit your frame. Have a new idler, you're gonna have to put your belt here against this ridge here. Put it in there and raise your belt. As you can see it, it's gotta be like this. All the way down. Put your nut back in. Nice and no noise. All right. If you like this video, press thumbs up below. If you can subscribe to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.